Hello friends, welcome to Poongodi's channel. Today we will learn chained feather stitch. This is a very beautiful stitch where we combine chain stitch and feather stitch together. We can use this stitch in border lines and in the leaves and also in other patterns. We work this stitch in two parallel lines. Bring the needle through the fabric at one line. Make a small diagonal stitch in the middle of the line. Thread below the needle and pull over. You will get one chain stitch, slanting chain stitch. Now put a small tail like stitch diagonally again and pull over the thread. Now bring the needle just straight to the chain stitch, end of the chain stitch in the other line, and insert the needle at the same point and bring it out at the end of the previous stitch. Thread below the needle and pull over. You will get another chain. Now make a small tail for the chain in the middle diagonally again to the previous line, straight to the end of the chain stitch. You bring out the needle and again insert the needle at the same point and bring it out. Diagonally. Thread below the needle and pull over the thread. You will get the chain. Make a small tail for the chain. Once again go to the next line, straight to the end of the previous chain, and now you should make a chain connecting the tail of the last stitch. We have made a chain and make a small tail. You should repeat these stitches again and again on both the parallel lines. last stitch, so we can finish it like this with the tail. I think the stitch is very clear for you now. If you like this video, share with your friends. This is the back view of the stitch. If you have missed my previous videos, please click on the links given in the description box. To learn more embroidery stitches, like and subscribe for my channel. Thank you for watching.